Hey everyone, this is Bro Smart, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Canon 200D for the first time and explain the functions of the buttons. It's a guide for beginners for you to click amazing awesome photos and shoot awesome videos. So subscribe and hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and let's begin. Here is the camera with the 18 to 55 kit lens attached. To remove a lens, press and hold on this button and rotate the lens 90 degrees just like this. To attach a lens, match the two dots on your lens and camera body. Kit lenses have a white dot and STM lens like the 50mm lens have a red dot. Align these two dots perfectly and rotate the lens 90 degrees just like this till you hear this click sound. Starting with the circular button in the front, the button is for focusing and releasing the shutter. So to focus, press gently on it, and to click photos, press hard on it. Now we have a metallic ring. It can be used for many purposes. It's like the scroll key on your computer mouse. The ISO and the display buttons are placed side by side. Next we have the mode dial. There are manual mode, auto mode, and auto mode without flash, and 6 other modes. I will make a dedicated video on Canon 200D dial, so subscribe and press the bell icon so you don't miss that video. If you are just starting out and still learning how to use the manual mode, I recommend using the auto mode without the flash. On the right hand side there is the camera off, on, which is also used for photo mode, and then the video mode or movie mode. You can switch between these three modes. It is a solid metallic switch and I love that clicking sound it produces while changing the modes. Just right under the dial you have the live view button with a little camera icon on it. If you are not using the viewfinder while clicking photos, press on this button to enable the live view mode on your display. With the help of this button, you can turn on the live screen display while clicking photos and turn off the viewfinder. There are several other buttons like the menu, info, gallery, delete, Wi-Fi, and the flash button. Just in the middle, there is the up, down, right and left keys and an OK button which represents the enter key. The 4 keys are placed as a circle, which is really awesome and easy to use. On top there is the metal mount for external flash or an external microphone like the Boya video mic. On the left hand side there is the microphone and headphone port, so you can easily attach a microphone or a earphone to this camera. On the right hand side we get the HDMI port and the data cable port. Here is a full playlist. Click on this YouTube card to watch the full review of the Canon 200D, full video and full photo settings, and a ton of videos on this DSLR camera. Links of all the Canon 200D videos that I have uploaded will be in the description below. That was my video guys. Drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comment section that which camera do you use to shoot videos and click amazing photos. I will also add Best Buy links of Canon 200D and its accessories in the description below, so do check them out. As always, thank you so much for watching. This is Bro Smart and I will catch you guys in my next video.